Model, 2011 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDI 335 L3H2 120 needs clutch. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 130,540. Engine, 2198 cc PUMA HDI 120 E4A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. It has no drive as the clutch needs replacing. Engine is perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,725 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.